Yeah. What up, good people of the internet? I hope you're doing marvelously well. I am back with another tutorial, and this time round, we are doing it. It's a Kompa Zouk instrumental that we are making. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, first things first, let's set our tempo right. We shall use a BPM of 85. After setting our BPM, we are going to make a groovy percussive drum loop that is going to give us that compa vibe. We are going to choose an instrument that is soft, a sort of like a rim, maybe yeah, a rim, a hat that is strong. No, let me try this one. See? Nice. Yeah, that one is good. Yeah, so we're going to bring in other percussive instruments and layer them like the congas, other congas. Yeah, it sounds sweet, but we can add an Afrobeat rim and give it more groove, and yeah, you know that feel. Yeah, our drum loop is fire. So now let's add the kick by filling in 4 steps. Yeah, we can add some open hats to give it that live feel. Right. Yeah, our drum pattern is fire. So now let us add in instruments, and we shall use one plugin, the Kompa plug. Here we are going to use the light version. You can download this from the internet. And we shall start by creating a simple chord progression. Nice. Nice. I like how it sounds. So let's add some mallets to give it some movement. here I think a music box kinda sound could do better. So let's replace that one. Let's add some pads to fill in the gaps. Now let's add more movement with some low guitar, just guitars that will be playing like the background. Guys, I'm already feeling the music. It's even before we bring in the bass line, it's just groovy, man. Yeah, guys, I love what we've created. Actually, this instrumental is fire. It just makes me feel like I'm in Haiti. Yeah, so it's fire, and we've not added the bass yet. Imagine. Yeah. And for that, you'll need to catch up in the next tutorial so that we can add a rhythm guitar, we can add the bass, one a lead instrument to give it that compa vibe. Yeah, so stay tuned until we meet again. Enjoy.